Everyone, so this is the completed look for today. It was the one that won on my Instagram post. Thousands of people voted and they decided they would rather see the teal versus like that oil slick look. I will be doing that look anyways, just because a lot of people wanted to see both. But I feel like that look needs a little bit of glitter, so that might be a New Year's look. In the comments below, let me know if there's any other looks that you guys want to see for New Year's. I really wanted to make this video in time for Christmas. I've been sick for about a week. This video will only be music and not a lot of talking, so that way I'm not coughing all the time. Thank you guys for being so patient, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also comment any other looks that you guys want to see.